welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we are back with another yoga block workout, and today we're going to be doing 3-minute yoga block Russian twists. So if you are ready, get on your mat and grab your yoga block and let's begin. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. Grab one of your yoga blocks here and we will just continue. We will just begin by doing those Russian twists here for 3 minutes. We just have 3 minutes of this one move here with that yoga block. And don't worry, if y'all don't have a yoga block, you can still do this workout without your yoga block here. You can just twist, twist, twist your arms, turn to the side, twist your core without that yoga block. But if you do have a yoga block, you can utilize that here by twisting, twisting, twisting. So we're turning to one side, turn, turn, turn. So we tap that yoga block on the ground each time as we're turning. So you can choose to hold your yoga block like this and tap it so that way you are really turning more. If you hold it this way, you're really twisting because the shorter edge is towards the ground, which means you really have to twist more. So tap, tap, tap. If you have more yoga blocks, you can always grab the other one, place it in between your knees here, whatever you feel like doing. And you can also, if you want to make this move harder, you can lift those legs up in the air and turn while you do it. A little hack for that is you can also place the yoga block in between your feet here while you turn, whatever you feel like doing. So let's just tap, tap, tap. Y'all got this. You're doing so great. I'm super proud of y'all. Just turn, 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 turn. Big thank you to my little workout buddies here. We got Cinnamon and Lily working out with me here. Thank y'all. They're so cute. Make sure you give them a little shout out in the comments below. Love having them work out with me. They're being so nice and calm right now. Sometimes they want to play and run around, but they're so well behaved. So thank y'all, little cuties. And just keep turning, turning, turning. Y'all are doing great. We are working our obliques here, our core. We're also sitting down the entire time. So this move is great for if you just want to sit down and rest. And you can do this move anywhere. Anywhere you have a spot to do it. You can even do this move if you're sitting down in a chair. You can still do those Russian twists by tapping the outer edge of your chair. You can do this when you're watching TV, watching Netflix. You can even do this sitting down on the comfort of your bed. Wherever you can do this, try it out. Y'all are doing so great. And keep turning, 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 really working that core. Squeeze your core here, but make sure you breathe the entire time. Y'all got this. Keep turning here. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of each and every one of you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all leave me a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this workout. And make sure to subscribe if you are not already. A big thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I look forward to seeing you on Friday for the dance workout. Bye!